In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music to your Godaddy website builder. This process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. So whether you're looking to enhance your website's atmosphere or just want to offer visitors a pleasant auditory experience, this guide will help you do just that. Let's get started. Firstly, you'll want to visit the Godaddy website to access your website builder tools. Head over to Godaddy's main page where you can explore a variety of domain names, websites, hosting, and online marketing tools offered. Once you've reached this page, go ahead and navigate to the products section. This is where all the magic happens. It's the hub for everything you can manage and modify, so locating the right tool for your needs is essential. Once you're in the products section, you'll need to click on the website you want to edit. This action will take you a step closer to personalizing your web space to better suit your brand's needs. After selecting your website, proceed by clicking on Edit Website. This is a crucial step as it opens up the website editor, where you have the freedom to make changes to your site's layout and content. Within the website editor, look for the Add Section option and click on it. This tool is fantastic because it allows you to customize your web page by adding different types of content. In this case, we're focusing on music. Once you've clicked to add a section, type music into the search bar. This step helps streamline your search, presenting you with relevant options that include music-based sections for your site. After typing music, be sure to select the audio option. It's here where you can integrate tunes into your website. You'll see a selection area specifically devoted to audio, and this is where your music will play for visitors as they explore your site. The audio feature is excellent for adding that extra layer of engagement and making your web experience unique. Finally, to finalize your music selection, click on Add. This choice will embed the audio feature into your desired location on the site, and just like that, you have successfully added music to your Godaddy website. By following these steps, you can creatively enrich your website, providing an enhanced user experience with the music of your choice. So take a moment to enjoy your accomplishment and perhaps encourage visitors to take their journey through your website to the sound you've added. That concludes our tutorial today. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out other videos for more helpful website tips and tricks.